In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own online store using Jotform Store Builder. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to showcase and sell services directly from their own digital storefront. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up on Jotform is straightforward. Simply head to their website and create an account by providing your email and choosing a password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Store Builder. You'll find it in the My Forms section, which gives you access to all the tools you need to create your online store efficiently. Now that we're here, it's time to add your services as products. This step is all about personalizing your store to reflect what you offer. Think about the variety of services you provide and decide how best to categorize them into products. You can add each service, giving it a clear name that your customers will easily recognize. It's helpful to keep these names concise yet descriptive, ensuring potential buyers immediately understand what you are offering. With the products set, let's move on to setting prices and crafting descriptions. Pricing is crucial as it directly affects your customers' decisions, so be sure to market your services competitively while covering your costs. For the descriptions, be creative and detailed. This is your opportunity to tell potential clients why your service stands out. Highlight the key features and benefits, use engaging language, and perhaps include short testimonials or past success stories to build trust and excitement. Next up is configuring your payment methods. You want to make sure your customers have a smooth and secure payment experience, so choosing the right payment method is essential. Jotform Store Builder integrates with a variety of payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, offering flexibility to both you and your customers. Consider your audience's preferences and select the most convenient payment options to maximize conversion rates. After these crucial components are in place, it's finally time to publish your store and share your link with the world. Double-check your store to ensure everything looks seamless and professional. Take advantage of social media platforms, email newsletters, or your existing network to share your store link. The more you promote, the more traffic you're likely to generate, so don't hold back on getting the word out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your online store using Jotform Store Builder, ready to take your services to a whole new audience. With your new digital storefront, you're better equipped to reach potential clients and boost your business like never before. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new store.